As the season gracefully transitions, autumn has truly arrived. Excuse me, Aunt Chen, I hope I'm not interrupting anything important.
Oh, it's Yun Duo. It's been so long I almost didn't recognize you. Xiaoli went to Haicheng early this morning to get some supplies and won't be back until the afternoon.
A few days ago, he left his feathered wings at my place, so I brought them over for him. Then could I trouble you to give the wings to Xiaoli for me?
Yesterday, a weasel actually stole one of my chickens.
Yunduo, you have a letter. Youngduo, you have a letter.
Hey.
Grandma is going to spend the winter at Auntie's house, so she won't be back for a while.